What's going on, guys? Sean here, and in today's video I'm going to give you 5 quick tips on how you can become mentally stronger. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Nerf this!
So I'm going to start it off with tip number 1. Tip number 1 is to become self-aware and, more importantly, self-reflect at the end of each day. So you really kind of have to go back and look at the events of the day and see where you may have been weaker than others. Like if you're engaging in negative habits or things that you could have handled differently. Because most of the time, the problem is not the problem is your attitude towards the problem. So, reflect on those situations, on those challenges. Hopefully, in the future, you'll become more aware of when you're starting to do those negative things. So Lily and I are going to go into Boston, and my brother's in town from California with his wife. So me, Lily, my sister, my dad are all gonna meet up, and it's a rare occasion because the Lunny kids are usually not all together. It's like a solar eclipse. Rarely happens, but when it does, it's always special. So let's see where the day takes us. See where the day takes us. See where the day takes us. All right, so as you can see, I'm all changed up and everything, ready to go. So I think we're gonna hit the road. And the Shwee's ready, and the Shwee's ready. Look at how cute she is. Alright guys, so tip 2, the car tip of today's video, is to get outside your comfort zone. If you do things that frighten you, or that challenge you, that's gonna make you mentally stronger. So tip 2 on how to become mentally stronger is to get outside your comfort zone. Do something that scares you, alright? Do something that challenges you. And that'll in turn make you stronger in the long run. So that's tip 2, so let's keep this thing rolling. Alright, so Lily and I are on our way to Chloe right now. We're on location, as you saw. Gonna get some good plant-based food down in Seaport, and we're gonna meet up with my brother a little later. But let's see what we can have, because I'm interested if they had changed anything on the menu. Not like we come here every day, but...
Yeah. Oh yeah, oh my god, it's right here.
Yep.
Thank you. So we just finished eating, and I completely forgot to show the food because I'm a terrible vlogger. Someone's a little hangry, but he's coming down from his hanger.
Yeah. The hanger was real.
Yeah, it was. I was trying to have him take a picture of me, and he was about to have a stroke. But now he has his coffee. He had his little tofu. I was also being really picky, but life of a Instagrammer and vlogger.
That was epic. So delicious. I got some smashed avocado toast. Lily got, what was it?
It was like a morning glory. I don't know. It was a burger with tofu, scramble, sriracha, and like a turkey, or not turkey, vegan, like turkey patty.
Yeah.
Thing, like a breakfast sandwich.
Yeah. Both were excellent. We got some coffee. We're gonna head over to the water right now. It's beautiful out.
It's gorgeous out.
Enjoying this super duper day. Wow, dude, really? Come on. So I thought it'd be a good time to give you guys the number 3 tip on how to become mentally stronger, and that's to make it a habit to develop positive self-talk. So when you come into challenges or hard situations, talk yourself through it. Say, you know, say things like, this isn't that bad, I can do this, I'm strong. If you develop that habit of talking yourself positively, that'll just build you up. You'll build yourself up to where a huge problem may not seem like a huge problem. Maybe it's just a small problem that just seems huge. Going back to what I said earlier, your problem is not the problem. Your problem is your attitude towards the problem. So say good things about yourself inside your head. Even get in front of a mirror and say them out loud. I am strong. I am mentally strong. I am the best at what I do. Positive affirmations like that will change your life. So develop a habit of creating those. Now let's go keep wandering around. We're gonna head over to Quincy Market because that's where my brother and his wife are. So we're gonna hop an Uber there. So I'm gonna leave you with a nice view of the skyline behind us, and we'll catch you over there. How you like driving for Lyft?
Lyft, yeah, not bad.
Yeah.
Sometimes the app makes you crazy, you know.
Yeah,
I know.
I know it.
Yeah, because when he sent me the text, I was driving.
So we put that, you know, we requested a Lyft, and it said that we're at the parking crab, but we're at Starbucks on the Northern Ave. So technology, you know.
Yeah, I know.
We're on our way to Faneuil Hall right now, and I'll give you the 4th tip on how to be mentally stronger, and that is to work out. Work out, guys. If you lift weight, you look good. You look good, you feel good, you get good results. So it's very stimulating to exercise. It releases those endorphins, those feel-good hormones that will, in the long term, make you mentally stronger. So
especially
go work out
while you're driving, you know.
That's right.
Yeah.
You got, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And you got stress driving, you got unruly customers like me, you know?
No, you're a nice guy. No, you're a nice guy. I wish I have like you every day.
Yeah.
Aw, thank you.
You are a nice guy.
Thank you, man. Man, if all Uber drivers or Lyft drivers were like that, the world would be a better place, especially if you're in a Lyft or an Uber.
Agreed.
That guy was awesome. Lee, you the man, Lee. You the man, Lee. So we've been here for like 2 minutes and we're already surrounded by just talent, you know what I mean? I just am kind of blown away at all the talent that's out here. So these people are putting in the work. So right now we're at Gather, waiting on my sister, my dad, and Trent to get here. Just hanging out with my brother and my sister-in-law and Lily. Pretty soon all the kids will be together.
As soon as they dock, you know, they're like, all right, it's go time. Oh, they did a spot right there on the boat. Some random dude was trying to break it up. He ended up in the water.
If anyone doesn't want to be on camera, just let me know now. I'll just cut you out.
Oh, you're gonna be in the famous vlog.
So we're at the Daily Catch right now. We're gonna try and get a table. It just all depends on how long the wait is. We might go back across the street to the Barking Crab, but we'll see. Good morning, guys. So last night I went to go give the 5th and final tip down in the Seaport. However, it was just a hair too loud and we had a good time, to say the least.
Let's watch.
Capiche. 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 guys
Seriously. I do release videos every Monday to get your week going, every Friday to get your weekend started.
Every Friday.
Every Monday. Monday to get your week started.
I do release videos every Monday to get your week going.
No.
And every Friday to get your weekend started.
Seriously. No, seriously.
Yeah, let's just cut it out there.
Way too much.
So, I'm gonna give it to you right now. Lily and I got some stuff to do today, but the fifth and final tip on how to become mentally stronger is to surround yourself in the correct environment. Are people around you that are making you better, that are challenging you, that are forcing you to level up? Are you surrounding yourself with people who want you to be the best version of you? Is what I'm trying to say. So I hope that makes sense, and that's the fifth and final tip, guys. So if you do everything here, you will definitely become mentally stronger. I do release videos every Monday to get your week started and every Friday to get your weekend going. I do also release bonus videos at random. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, turn that notification bell on so you don't miss a video. Thanks so much, guys. I really appreciate you checking it out. I will catch you next time.